Hi, I'm Kirsty Harkins. I studied international fashion branding and I'm currently now the growth marketing manager at Unsociable. It's a very hands-on degree, very practical. There was a lot more elements than just fashion to it. We studied finance modules, marketing, entrepreneurship, and also I even did a journalism module, so I felt like I gained a lot of experience to take forward with me in my career. I think the best thing about GCU was the friends that I made along the way. We did a lot of group work, so I worked closely with these girls throughout my 4 years at uni. And the best thing was we did a fashion presentation which was like a magazine for Nike. So we got to organise photo shoots and this was the most practical experience throughout my time at uni. So here at Unsociable I do a bit of everything. So I'm a growth marketing manager, so I'm helping with the growth of the business. I'm covering a lot of marketing elements, so like events, reaching out to brands, just kind of like our presence on social media, our presence on LinkedIn, sort of trying to get the whole team to be posting as much as we can and just get Unsociable out there and known. So Unsociable is a TikTok shop partner, so we work closely with TikTok and we work with brands directly to grow them on the platform where you can do their shop. We organise their live streaming and manage affiliates and just all things TikTok shop. My favourite moment of my job so far was getting to organise the first ever TikTok shop creator event. Basically I was the person that just organised the whole thing and ran it, reached out to brands, got a lot of cool brands there. We had brands like Tanologist, Nature Spell, Give Me Cosmetics, To Be Tanned, and we had over 120 creators come on a night and it felt so rewarding to just see how much everybody enjoyed themselves. So yeah, we've got a lot of exciting projects coming up. We work closely with TikTok, so there's a lot of new opportunities there. The app's always developing, so it feels kind of like your career's developing too. I found the staff at GCU were so approachable and they were so supportive, so I would highly recommend that university to anyone who's struggling.